This is Shivalsis speaking. Children, as of now, we have been dealing with some questions of exercise 11.2, chapter mensuration. So now we are going to talk about something of exercise 11.2, question number 5. The question number 5 is about the diagonals of a rhombus is 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. So children, here is a figure, quadrilateral. Name of this quadrilateral is a rhombus. So the rhombus is having diagonals of measuring 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So let me consider this one as 7.5 centimeter and this one as 12 centimeter. So here in this particular quadrilateral, the sides are unknown, as we all know that the rhombus is a quadrilateral in which the measure of all four sides are equal. So here the measure of one diagonal is 12 centimeter and measure of another diagonal is 7.5 centimeter. So now question is that if like rhombus, if you consider it as to be a spatial parallelogram, then in order to find its area we need the measure of base and height. So here the base and height of this figure is unknown to us. We don't have the measure of base and height. So we have got a formula to find the area of rhombus using the measure of diagonals. So the formula is area of rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2. Half into d1 into d2. So here half d1, the measure of diagonal 1 is 7.5 and another diagonal is 12. So if I remove this point, I'm supposed to get 10. So here 6 2s are 12. Now there is 75 into 6 in the place of numerator, and in the place of denominator there is 10. So 75 into 6, 450 by 10. 450 by 10. 450 by 10. If I cancel these two zeros, it's supposed to be. So if I cancel these two zeros, it will be 45 centimeter square. This is the area of the rhombus. So children, the similar process to be utilized for any of the figure rhombus in which the measure of like height and base is unknown. We can simply utilize this formula. The formula is half into d1 into d2. Using this formula, we can simply find the area of rhombus. Now let us talk about question number 6. Question number 6 is very important, children, as this figure gives us a complete concept of rhombus, area of rhombus. So find the area of a rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. Okay, so let me draw a figure first. This is a rhombus. We should keep in our mind that rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all four sides must be equal in measure. So here the measure of each side have been said is 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. And the measure of one diagonal, the measure of the altitude is 4.8 centimeter. So 4.8 can be taken from anywhere, any of these four vertices. So I'm preferring to take from this vertex. So here is that perpendicular or altitude, which is the measure is 4.8 centimeter. So height is 4.8 centimeter and measure of one side, the measure of side is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Now how to find the area of this figure? Area of this figure. So we'll find the area of this figure using the formula. As we all know that rhombus is a spatial parallelogram. So here I'll find the area of rhombus using the formula of parallelogram. So formula parallelogram, area of parallelogram is base into height. So base is 5 centimeter, height is 4.8 centimeter. So now from here, if I remove this point, I'm supposed to get 10. Okay, so now it's better if you multiply 5 and 48 and then we will count zeros by placing the point. It would be quite easier for us to calculate. So 5 into 48, 240 by 10, 0 0 cancelled, 24 centimeter square. This is the area of for this particular rhombus. So children, I believe I have shown two different things, two different process to find the area of rhombuses. In the first one, in which we had only the measure of the diagonals. So I have used the formula half into d1 into d2. Using this formula, I got the area of rhombus. And the next one, I have used the formula of base into height. So 5 into 4.8. Using this formula, I got the area of rhombus 24 centimeter square. 24 centimeter square. So I got different answers using two different formula. So now the next one is number 7. Sorry children, number 6 is about now if one of the diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of the other diagonal. So it has one more part of this question is length of one diagonal is 8 centimeter. One diagonal, measure of one diagonal means suppose D1 is equal to 8 centimeter is given. Now the measure of other diagonal is not given to us, it's abstract. So we have to find the value of other diagonal. Children, we'll use a trick. The trick is, I have already got the area of this rhombus, that is 24 centimeter square. And now I have to find the measure of other diagonal. That is D2. So I'll simply use the formula. Half into D1 into D2 is equal to area of rhombus. So here half into D1 I have considered 8 centimeter. D2 I don't know. Area of the rhombus just now I have calculated, that is 24. Children, always keep in mind, no matters which formula we have been using, whether it's of half into D1 into D2 or a base into height, no matters, area for a particular figure must remain same. So from here, if I cancel this 2 and 8, it will be 4. That's 4 into D2. 4 into D2 is equal to 24. So now from here, D2 is equal to 24 by 4. So I'll just cancel it out. 4 6 are 24. So measure of diagonal is 6. Measure of the one diagonal is 6. So I have already got the measure of one diagonal, that was 8 centimeter. Now the measure of other diagonal is 6 centimeter. I believe it's clear to everyone. Is this clear, children? If it's still not clear, please feel free to speak to me. And question number 7 is a similar way to do, like using the same formula, like in which the measure of one parallel side is given and the other parallel side is not given to us. So we have to find the measure of other diagonal from here using this identity or rather this formula. So I believe it's cleared. If it's not, please feel free to speak to me. Till then, thank you so much, children. Thank you.